What's up, YouTube? This is Mauricio coming at you with my first unboxing video. What we have here is a package from Supreme, and I was able to cop a couple pieces from their first drop of the Spring/Summer 16 season, so let's go ahead and check out what came in. Alright, so right off the bat I see the usual bag. And nothing else. Alright, so first is a regular invoice. Alright, so let's start off with the smaller item. I got a couple things. Like, first thing I got was the enamel leather keychain. I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool because it looked like the Alfa Romero logo, and yeah, I just thought it was pretty nice. So that's the first item. Second, I was able to pick up a tee, the Dumb Childish tee in extra large in navy. That was pretty cool. It's like navy and kind of on purple, kind of cool look. And finally, the red tiger camo camp cap. That was pretty nice. It's my first camp cap with a patch instead of just a regular stitched in. But yeah, I thought that was pretty dope. And tag right there. And I got a couple of bonus items. So luckily I was able to get the free gift at the beginning of every season, the little ball. It's pretty cool. I got the Supreme 16 You Still Suck sticker. Instant Pussy sticker. It's pretty cool. And the cherry sticker. The berry sticker. Kind of upset I didn't get the Mendini box logo, but it's alright. I'm happy with the stuff I got. But hope you guys like this video, and comment what you guys got, if you got anything from the first drop, and like and subscribe, and peace.